Good morning, students. Today we will do more equations. Let us practice solving some more equations. While solving these equations, we shall learn about transposing a number, that is moving it from one side to other side. We can transpose a number instead of adding or subtracting it from both sides of the equation. Say example 6. Solve 12p minus 5 equal to 25. See the solution. Here adding 5 on both sides of the equation. What will you get? 12p minus 5 plus 5 equal to 25 plus 5. And if you solve it, you will get here minus 5 and plus 5 will be cancelled. What is left? 12p equal to 25 plus 5, it is 30p. Only remove this 12 from p, the dividing both sides by 12. What will you get? 12p upon 12 equal to 30 upon 12. Here you can cancel this 12 and 12. What is left? It is p. P equal to, here you can simplify it by divide numerator and denominator by 6. 6 2 ja 12 and 6 5 ja 30. You will get 5 upon 2. Therefore, you can say that P, it is equivalent to 5 upon 2. Check putting P equal to 5 upon 2 in the left hand side of equation 4.12. What will get? The left hand side equal to 12 P. Replace P by 5 upon 2 minus 5 equal to, here you can cancel 12 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 12. You will get 6 into 5 minus 5 and 6 into 5, it is 30 minus 5, that is 25, which is equivalent to right hand side. Here note, adding 5 to both sides is same as changing side of minus 5. Yes, you can simply bring minus 5 to right hand side. The sign will be changed. That is, if the sign is negative, it becomes positive, and if it is positive, it becomes negative. Here minus 5, it is negative. When we shift minus 5 to right hand side, it will become plus 5. So shift it, see, it will become 12p equal to 25 plus 5. The changing side is called transposing. What is the meaning of transposing? That is changing the side of number. While transposing a number, we change its sign. If it is plus, it becomes minus. If it is minus, it becomes plus. As we have seen, while solving equations, one commonly used operation is adding or subtracting the same number on both sides of the equation. Transposing a number, that is changing the side of number, is same as adding or subtracting the number from both sides. In doing so, the sign of the number has to be changed. What applies to numbers also applies to expressions. Let us take two more examples of transposing. See here, adding or subtracting on both sides. Say first example, it is 3p minus 10 equal to 5. Here add 10 to both sides. What will you get? 3p minus 10 plus 10 equal to 5 plus 10. And if you solve it, here minus 10 and plus 10 will be cancelled. What is left? 3p equal to 5 plus 10, that is 15. So 3p equal to 15. Say second example, 5x plus 12 equal to 27. Here subtract 12 from both sides. See what will happen? 5x plus 12 minus 12 equal to 27 minus 12. And if you solve this, here plus 12 and minus 12 will be cancelled. What is left? 5x equal to 27 minus 12. You will get 15. So 5x equal to 15. In transposing, see how we do this examples while doing transposing. Transposing means changing the side of number. Here see, first part was 3p minus 10 equal to 5. Here we will simply change minus 10 from left hand side to right hand side. And if you change this or bring minus 10 to right hand side, the sign of 10 will change. Here it is minus, it will become plus. If it is plus, it will become minus. Here transpose minus 10 from left hand side to right hand side. So on transposing, minus 10 becomes plus 10. We can write 3p equal to 5 plus 10 or 3p equal to 15. It is same. Similarly, see second part, that is 5x plus 12 equal to 27. Here we have to remove this plus 12. So simply bring plus 12 on right hand side. If you bring this 12 on right hand side, its sign will be changed. Here it is plus sign. It will become minus. See here, transposing plus 12. So on transposing, plus 12 becomes minus 12. Therefore 5x equal to 27 minus 12. And if you solve it, you will get 5x equal to 27 minus 12. It is 15. It is same. Both are same. In transposing, simply you have to bring the term. If you change the term, if you bring that term from left hand side to right hand side or from right hand side to left hand side, simply sign will change. If it is plus, it will become minus, and if it is minus, it will become plus. Keep it in your mind. Say example 7. Solve a part 4 within the bracket m plus 3 equal to 18. See the solution. A part, that is 4 within the bracket m plus 3 equal to 18. Here let us divide both sides by 4. This will remove the bracket in the left hand side. We get m plus 3 equal to 18 upon 4. That is, if any term is multiplied with a variable and if you want to remove it, then this term, when we bring it on right hand side, it will be divided. If it is multiplied on left hand side, it will be divided in right hand side. And if it is divided in left hand side, it will be multiplied on right hand side. So see here, m plus 3 equal to 18 upon 4, and if you solve it, here m plus 3 equal to, here simplify it, divided by 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 2 ja 4. This can be written as 9 upon 2, or you can say m equal to 9 upon 2 minus 3. Simply here we have to bring this 3 from left hand side to right hand side, and if you change its position, sign will be changed. Here it is plus 3. When we bring it on right hand side, its sign will be changed. That is, it will be minus 3. That's why here it is written minus 3, because we have transposing 3 to right hand side. If you transpose any term, the sign will be changed. Or this can be written as m equal to 3 upon 2. How will you get 3 upon 2? See here, 9 upon 2 minus 3. 9 upon 2 minus 3. Here, take LCM or make the denominator of 3 as 2. Here multiply 3 by 2 in the numerator and denominator both. You will get 6 upon 2. That is 9 upon 2 minus 3. If we want to make the denominator of 3 as 2, we have to multiply 3 by 2, both in numerator and denominator. That is 3 into 2 upon 2. 3 to the 6 upon 2. Here if denominators are same, we can subtract numerator. That is 9 minus 6. It is 2. We can write 9 minus 6 2 3 upon 2. In this way you can solve this. Now checking left hand side, it is 4 m plus 3. Here value of m is 3 upon 2. Replace m by 3 upon 2 plus 3. Here how will you solve this? It is equivalent to 4 into 3 upon 2 plus 4 into 3. That is, if you open the bracket, 4 is multiplied by first term, that is this term, that is 4 into 3 upon 2, and then again 4 is multiplied by 3. It can be written as 4 into 3. And if you solve this 4 into 3 upon 2, here 4 can be cancelled by 2, that is 2 1 ja and 2 2 ja 4. This can be written as 2 into 3 plus 4 into 3. 2 3 ja 6 and 4 3 ja 12. It can be written as 6 plus 12, that is 18, which is equivalent to the right hand side. Similarly, B part, minus 2 within the bracket x plus 3 equal to 8. Here we divide both sides by minus 2. So as to remove the brackets in the left hand side, we get x plus 3 equal to 8 divided by minus 2. And here if you simplify this, this can be written as x plus 3 as it is equal to, here cancel 8 by 2, that is 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 8. If you solve this, it can be written as minus 4. X plus 3 equal to minus 4, and then transposing 3 to right hand side. If you bring my plus 3 on, if you bring 3 on right hand side, sign will be changed. That is, here it is plus 3. When we bring it on right hand side, it will become minus 3. So this can be written as x is equal to minus 4 minus 3, and if you solve it, you will get x is equal to minus 4 minus 3, it is minus 7. This is the solution. This is the value of x.